A Northeast Ohio school district is promising to review its rental policies after controversy surrounds a campaign ad filmed in a high school gym.
Well, some students at Hoover High School in North Canton are now raising concerns about why a U.S. Senate candidate was allowed to access the school at all. News 5's Catherine Ross explains what's at the center of this debate and how the district is responding.
I'm Jane Timken. As a mom and former college athlete, I know how important women's sports are.
You may have seen the 30-second spot from U.S. Republican Senate candidate Jane Timken.
But the Biden Democrats want to force our daughters to compete against men in the pool and on the court. It's outrageous.
The ad shows a clip of swimmer Leah Thomas, the first openly transgender NCAA D1 athlete to win a national championship. The win triggered public outrage from some conservative politicians who believe transgender female athletes have an unfair advantage over their cisgender peers. Others see the criticism as discrimination against a small group of student athletes who already face higher rates of bullying and depression.
I'm used to getting a lot of backlash. But I know for a lot of students, this was going to be a huge deal.
Hoover High School senior Ash Barrows takes issue with Timken's comments, but he says the bigger concern is where she's saying it.
It was very obviously Hoover High School, and almost immediately every single person online knew it was Hoover and wanted to do something about it. It was outrage just from everybody who I knew.
Barrows and other members of the Hoover Gay Straight Alliance brought their concerns to the North Canton City Schools superintendent. When News 5 reached out, the superintendent shared the statement he made during a recent school board meeting. It says in part, quote, "It is regrettable that some of our students, especially our LGBTQ+ community, have felt hurt by the content of the message filmed at our school. We do not endorse or support messages, ideals, beliefs, or platforms of individual political candidates or political organizations."
If they do allow outsiders to use the school facilities, then they have to have neutral, non-discriminatory rules.
Case Western law professor Jonathan Enton explains public schools can let anyone use their facilities as long as they have a clear policy and don't pick and choose who is allowed.
School officials might be a little reluctant because they don't want to make it look like they're taking sides.
North Canton's facility rentals webpage does include a disclaimer calling all rentals business transactions that should not be interpreted as endorsements.
You're letting them into our school, you're letting them film this video, and you're letting Hoover represent this.
The Timken campaign released a statement in response saying, quote, "This is about standing up for fundamental fairness in girls' sports. As a former college athlete, mom to a daughter, and Ohio's next senator, Jane will always protect opportunities for women that are under attack." The superintendent says the district is currently reviewing its facility use and rental policies. In North Canton, Catherine Ross, News 5.
The Ohio High School Sports Association does have a framework for transgendered athletes to petition and participate. Since the policy started in 2015, 45 rulings have been made. Only one petition has been denied. An athlete must be on hormone treatment for a full year and have medical paperwork from a licensed doctor. House Bill 61, the Save Women's Sports Act, was introduced last year. It says no school, interscholastic conference, or organization that regulates interscholastic athletics shall permit individuals of the male sex to participate on athletic teams or an athletic competition designed only for participants of the female sex. Transgender rights advocates we spoke to last year say this excludes trans athletes. That bill currently sits in the House.